Alright, this is my fourth capstone script. This one is on the Columbia River, which is in the United States. This is a particular topic that interests me in the relate to lesson 8, and it's the Columbia River being contaminated with pollutants and endangering animals, plants, and human life. This problem affects parts of Oregon, Washington State, and parts of Vancouver, which is Canada. Washington and Oregon health officials have commented on this problem to say that this problem is not a relatively new problem. It's been going on for decades. Reports show that in the mid 1990s, there were contaminants found in the lower part of the Columbia River. These powerful contaminants are endangering the fish, which then the contaminants are passed on to the humans that eat these fish. Humans that consume these infected fish can potentially damage their organs, reproductive system, and nervous system. Advisories have been put on these fish that live in the Columbia River, and they will not be lifted anytime soon because we don't see this problem going away anytime soon. Actions such as treating rainwater before it reaches the Columbia River, using green cleaning products to reduce contaminants, establishing numerous successful pesticides collection programs, and crop growers have reduced the use of very dangerous chemicals to less the criteria asked for, like state laws. And these actions have greatly helped reduce the contaminants in the Columbian River, but there is a long way to go until it's completely contaminant free and clean.